Hello, in this video I show you how to replace the serpentine belt on Audi A3 8L 1.9 TDI. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to go underneath the car, and first we're going to remove this engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove this plastic cover that's covering the serpentine belt. Now we can remove the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise. This is the tensioner right there. I'm going to use a long wrench to turn the tensioner clockwise. This is where I need to put the wrench in and then turn it clockwise. When I turn the tensioner clockwise, the belt will get loose and then we can remove the belt. Here you can see I'm turning the tensioner clockwise and now the belt is loose and I can remove it. And that's the serpentine belt out. Next I'm going to put on the new serpentine belt, but before that I'm going to show you the routing of the belt. Next I'm going to put on the new serpentine belt. I'm going to put it around all the pulleys, and I did put a pin earlier on the tensioner, so it's holding the tensioner in place, and this way I can put the belt around all the pulleys, and then I'm going to turn the tensioner and remove that pin, and then we'll be done with replacing the belt. Here you can see the belt is around all the pulleys. Now I'll show you a closer view of the tensioner. That's the tensioner right there, and that's where I put my pin in. And now I'm going to turn the tensioner to remove the pin. That's the pin removed. Now I'm going to remove my wrench and then I'm done with replacing the serpentine belt. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.